Welcome to part 3 of the Kiss Your Clutter Goodbye series. In this series, we're exploring organizing concepts that will help you declutter and maintain your newly organized spaces. This concept introduces the partnership idea. Who knew that having help decluttering would make it so much easier with someone else? This comes through loud and clear every time I work with a client. It's so much easier if you're not alone. I'll bet you can find a friend who would also like to get more organized. Team up. Take turns decluttering each other's space. You'll find the support you need while also offering the same support to someone else. I often talk to stay-at-home moms who struggle to find time to complete a decluttering project with young children in their care. It is difficult to manage, so make a play date with another mom. While your kids play, you can focus on clearing out a space. Here's 3 things that you should look for in a decluttering buddy. 1, someone who will encourage you. We all need a cheerleader in our corner. 2, a partner who will let you have the final say on what goes and what stays, and will not make you feel guilty. 3, a team member that also will set goals and celebrate the completion during each organizing date. It works because your friend will not have an attachment to your things, and they can nudge you to let go of things if you're hesitating. Also, your project takes less time with 2 people working. What's that saying? Many hands make light work? It's true. And finally, many people like to tell the story of certain items before they let them go. Now you have someone who will listen. There's still more to the Kiss Your Clutter Goodbye series. Stay tuned.